So here's the suction cup hook. It's very easy to install. All you need is to prep the wall, clean it up, make sure there's no oil or any residue. You unscrew it a bit and then you tighten it as you push it against the wall, and it creates suction between the wall and the suction cup. I will be using this in my restroom as a towel rack. But it's pretty great for many things. You could use it as a dog leash, hook, as a umbrella hook, any sort of thing that requires a hook. This is very convenient. It does come in a tool pack, but I only need one towel, so I only installed one. But as we can see, I'm pushing down, nothing's happening. So it's pretty good. The suction was pretty good, better than I anticipated, but yeah, check it out.